What's up guys, Scott here. I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on your phone. Alright, so first thing you need to do, go to the App Store. Alright, search Coinbase. I use Coinbase for trading crypto. You may use some else. They have many different ones. They have blockchain here. Blockchain's a pretty good one. I think I've used that before, or Bitcoin wallet actually is what I used before. This one's pretty good too. But today, we're going to use Coinbase. This is what I use. So go ahead and download that. I actually got me an update here. See if I can update that real quick. So when you get it downloaded, you're going to want to open it up. I was kind of hoping to time that open up when this thing would get done uploading, but here we go. And so first thing you want to do is go to settings, and you want to link your accounts. Okay, link your accounts. You want your Wells Fargo, you want your PayPal, or your debit card. Now, if you link your debit card to the thing, you can actually trade it instantly if you link your debit card. But if you link your bank and you do trades, it's going to take a couple days for the money to hit. So then what you do, you can go to portfolio and click XRP, should be the third one. And you simply just click trade. Click buy, and then you just buy however much you want. And so this is what I'm talking about here. If you got your bank account and you click buy, I'm gonna show you what happens. I don't think it trades it instantly, I'm not sure. Yeah, there you go. You see how it says instantly here? It's because I'm using my debit card, so it makes the trade go by instantly. So you click that. And then boom, you just purchase XRP. All right. So that's how you purchase XRP. And as you see, I got 40 bucks of XRP now. And it shows me how many shares I have. 215 shares. And there we go.